All right, we made it to the River Gorge Swinging Bridge. Mom and I have finally made it. And we could swing on the bridge. Yay! This is our view. Hope everybody enjoys this video. We worked very hard to get here. It's over 620 steps down, 320 back up the other way, and 620 back the way we came, which would be 1,062 steps. And that is a lot of steps, folks. So please do like this video. Please do follow me. Hope you enjoy the views. If you're sitting at home today and your house is in the winter months somewhere, it's cold. We actually got 62 degrees down here in the Cholula River Gorge and Georgia. And this is a very beautiful day, a very beautiful view. There's a raft down there. It probably came out of the lake above. And yeah, this is a really nice, very beautiful place.